Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am Tetfu Mahlalela. If you're here for the first time, please feel at home and enjoy. If you're regular, honey, you know I've got endless love for you. So I am back with another vloggy vlog. Look who's here. Hello people. Hi ma'am. Okay, I'm the people now. But yeah guys, so my sister Khanya'a is here. Subscribe to her YouTube channel, by the way. I'm gonna put in her link in the description box. So yeah, anyways, I'm from class and we have a nail appointment. No, not an appointment, because we're gonna, I don't know, but we're going to get our nails done and our pedi done be. So yeah, this is the fit of the day. Speaking of my outfit, I wanted to tell you that I'm obsessed with this baby. Remember that haul? You guys never said anything because I asked if you want to see like the full clothing haul. So yeah, this is one of the items I got. I'm obsessed with it. It is gorgeous. I mean, you guys can see it for yourself. So yeah, and I wanted to say that it warms my heart so much to come across students that are like, oh my gosh, I like your videos. Oh my gosh, I got accepted because I saw your video on YouTube that late applications are open and everything like that. Guys, I am so glad that I'm able to help where I can, and I just wanted to say that thank you so much for 800 subbies. And if you still haven't subscribed, baby, please just get in the journey with me to 900 subs. I love you guys so much, and yeah, see you guys there. Told you we're going to do the nails and everything, so yeah. I can't even breathe. I can imagine.
Yeah, babe. Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you as the rebel comes out, there you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your death, yes. Open your mind to the sound.
Guys, so we're in Stellenbosch. We're gonna meet our brother. We're gonna meet Mvi and have dinner with him. So yeah,
we're going to Hudson's Burger Joint. Guys, oh my god, my hair, I changed my hair.
They didn't even notice, or they did. Did y'all notice?
This morning when I said hi, like everyone was
watching.
Everyone was watching. You should notice.
Look who's here. Say hi to my people.
Yeah, that's it.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my yard.
Siang gana orangnya.
What's up?
to free my mind now. I really need Jada. I really need to free my mind now.
Through my head every time that I'm near you. I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dream.
Focus.
You see what I do?
Oh yeah,
What do you do? What do you do?
Oh, you can take this once I get you can.
They want to come. Yeah?
I think just move my phone from there.
Streets of Stellenbosch with the ugly one, with the ugly one.
The pretty one.
And the pretty one. For the lights. And the pretty one. Ah, you saw. And the pretty one.
Hey my loves, so it is the next day and yeah, the girl is up. So you guys last saw us having dinner last night, so yeah, we are back and we just wanted to show you guys our nails.
I don't want to show my nails. They're too ugly.
Guys, we hate our nails, like it's so bad, but you have to show them. You have to show them, Khanya'a. Guys, look. What they did to us.
It's so
Wait, this
ugly.
thing is not focusing. Wait, let me try.
This is so uncalled for.
Guys, it's so bad.
Very bad.
Check mine. So I went for something short because I'm a not bald girl. You know what I'm saying? But, girl, like, this is not it. Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. I'll try to insert pictures. And we also did our toes. I'll show you guys. But we're just not happy with everything, hey? The toes are better, but the nails, honey.
And
No.
they overcharged us.
Yeah, they overcharged us for that service. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
Thank you.
They overcharged us. So we're
Money
gonna show you
crust.
guys. We're gonna show you the toes. They better than the nails though, Khanya'a, you must admit. They are better than the law.
Because after I decided she's bad with this, I decided to do gel for my toes. Yeah.
Yeah.
I decided to do gel for my toes.
You're
Bye,
okay,
guys.
you're fine. Bye. We'll show you guys the toes and yeah, probably insert pictures, hey? So see you. Yeah. Who fast yet? I feel like in position. Yeah. You are fast, hey?
I'm your customer now. If you do a good job, and if you do a good job, those
By now I'm lighting in the front.
Oh, wow.
Except like anywhere else. Only if it was up there.
This one has lost a customer. You see the one who washed my hair? It's okay. But she has lost because she's far. So, because you were here. Because I was buying the hair.
Like, where is she this one washed?
In Belleville, because I was buying this. They didn't mind spending so much money on McDonald's, these people. But then anyways, it's the first and the last time I'm eating this junk at this time. Bye.
So it is a few days after the graduation. I decided to split the vlog because then it would be too long. So, but don't worry, I'ma upload the graduation vlog too. Actually, I don't know if I'll start with the graduation vlog or this one will go first. But yeah, so it's after the graduation and we're just out here having breakfast, baby. Let's see where it takes us.